Today we'll talk about how can you enable LinkedIn Learn email notifications on your LinkedIn Learn app. We're going to figure out this solution on know how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, you just go down, click here on my Learn down here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, just click on your name here. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to your profile here. Then all you have to do now, just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, you just go down here, you keep going down, then you click here on manage notifications, then you click here on email. So then come to this list, you click here on enable notifications, click on it. Then like you see this color show for us, that's mean email notifications enable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.